Good morning from the Isle of Skye. I have first thing in the morning voice because I'm sounding gruff. That's one of our views this morning, and that's our other view. We spent the first night here, just north of Portree, and this morning we're going to head for the Old Man of Storr. We are here.
Family. Whatever. I don't know which way we want to go round, yeah.
Whichever way it takes us. So, the Old Man of Storr. We really didn't know what the weather was going to be like this morning. But it's dry and there's blue sky. So hopefully we're going to be rewarded with some stunning views. Doing our famous zigzag routine. Works every time, going uphill. Grand job. Please shut the gate. Where we're heading. There's some stunning views, but even from here we can see that. That's incredible. Nearly at the top, nearly there. Me filming you, filming the view. Hike up to Old Man of Storr. By the time we get back to the car, it's going to be near enough 3 miles. It's about a mile and a half up, just a mile and a half back down. It costs, as of now, £3 for 3 hours to park at the bottom, or it costs £5 for 6 hours. You've got to make your own judgment on how long you think you're going to need. But I think if you give yourself 6 hours, you've got no rush. You can explore the rest of the area. It's been gorgeous. We've pulled over to here. The waterfalls are lovely. And so are the views. The Old Man of Storr is over there in the distance, looking very atmospheric from here. We're heading down here. Thought we'd head down to the coastline and have a look. And there's also geocache, is there not? There is. Okay. So if you come to these falls, walk down to the coast, because then you get to see this. That is amazing. Truly amazing. We saw the sign for waterfalls etched in the wood. No one else seemed to follow that sign other than us, and hence we found the amazing waterfalls. Fantastic, really good. Now where's that geocache that we promised ourselves to find 2? Somewhere around here, I think. Look at that for a view. Guess what? I think we found the cache. Well, ain't it? Hooray! Ta-da! Well done. There was easy parking here as well. We've pulled up on the side, but there is a main car park here, isn't there? Through there. So yes, you must come to these waterfalls because there's something special. And if you see some etched in the wood that says waterfalls, follow them. Back to the motor. Where next?
Waterfalls.
Yay! Let's go. So we've moved up from Lealt Falls up to Kilrock. That's where we're at the moment. And you know what? I think I prefer Lealt Falls because we could get really, really close. Hello. We've just stopped here. We've stopped up and they let you have full bottles of water for 30 pence each, which is really bargain.
However, they don't trust to use
the bathroom, honey. If you need to use the bathroom, or if you need to stock up on water at a fraction of the price, come here. Good evening. This is a map of the Isle of Skye. Last night we drove onto the Isle of Skye and we stayed just north of Portree. We stayed round about here somewhere. We found a nice pulling in the middle of nowhere-ish. We stayed. But then the rest of today we've driven up to the Old Man of Storr. Some great views, and we hiked up there as well, which was great. Then we drove a little bit further up to Lealt Falls, which was also very nice on the coast. We walked right down and we saw the waterfall, and then we drove up to Kilt Rock and Mealth Falls, and now we're actually parked up in Staffin, where you can see dinosaur footprints. We've literally parked up next to the dinosaur footprints, which are out there under the water. And this is where we're going to stay the night. And over there is Staffin Island. There's one little house on there. Can't imagine there's anybody on there. But that's Staffin Island. We're going to stay here the night, aren't we, Elaine?
You think we're not going to find anyone rich?
Elaine's drinking a cup of tea.
So we thought we'll just sit here, see if we can see any whales or dolphins or
seals, and then have something to eat.
Sunset in that direction. We'd maybe see the sunrise tomorrow, but it's not really southern over tomorrow, so it might not actually rise.
Tomorrow's just another day, but for now, let's enjoy this.